Hi, this is Mona for ThermOWeb, and today I am going to show you how I created these floral cards with Unity toner card fronts and neon flock transfer sheets. I hope you keep watching this video. Let's start with the background. I am starting with the Blanco Deco foil transfer gel, which I am applying to colored cardstock by Gina Designs with Deco foil stencil pen through the stencil. I am using the fancy Foliage stencil by Heffy Doodle, which I sprayed with Pixie spray for a better result. I will let the gel dry for 1 hour. Also, I cleaned all my supplies and continue with the coloring. Instead of stamping, I am going to color the flowers and lines toner card front by Unity stamps. These foil labeled toner card fronts are really versatile. You can color on them with alcohol markers like me. You can make on it an ink blending, watercoloring and spraying as well, and run it through your laminator with your favorite Deco foil transfer sheets. When the coloring was done, I added white highlights and dots to the petals and leaves. I wanted to leave the black edges on the images, so instead of foiling, I just fussy cut and colored the flowers. The next step was the die cutting. I ran the sparkle and shine dies from Heffy Doodle with white cardstock through my die cut machine 3 times. Next, I adhered them together with Ultra Bond Adhesive and let the words dry. Now it's time for the background. As I told, in this video I am going to use the Electro-Pop neon flock transfer sheets in Hello Yellow and Poppin pink colors by Rina Designs. The process is simple and easy. I am putting a parchment paper to my desk and put on it the neon flock transfer sheets. Next, I am placing the dried design face down onto the colored side of flock. And finally, I run it through my hot laminator. In the end, I gently peel away the transfer sheet to reveal the design. When it was done, I adhered my images with 3D foam squares to their right place. Once the styling is done, I am adhering some sequins to embellish my card. And the cards are ready! I hope you have enjoyed my project for today. As always, you can find the used supplies below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have an amazing day. Bye!